Stop guessing. 90% of Amazon sellers fail because they treat product research like a lottery. They're just guessing and they like the product. But instead of being emotional, you should be logical. Have tools that can help you and save hundreds of hours and a ton of money because you don't want to launch a bad product. And that's where Helium 10 comes in. There is a link in the description for a discount if you wanted to try it. But here is the gist of it. They've got a huge dashboard. Now, it's not super easy to use at first, but once you understand it, then it does become easy. Now, their tools, here's one, and then we're going to be talking about Black Box, right? And this is finding products to sell on Amazon. Easily found a few products within seconds, not even minutes, seconds, and it's a hand ice pack for arthritis. And I know a lot of people that do have arthritis. I see them at the gym and they always complain. And I don't think they know about this at all, but I found this today. Look, they're working and it's making $15,000 a month, which is huge, right? And then another item, airbrush, dual action gravity feed airbrush, and it's making $26,000 a month. So I would have never thought to sell this, but this is where you can come in and look, it does nails too. Nails, whatever you want. Very, very cool. Now, those were found with the Helium 10 tool. And what it looks like is it's like a little ad lib. So once you go to products, Black Box, it says answer these questions. You just pick a category. Don't think about it too much. And we're just going to do arts, crafts, and sewing. And we're going to do what price range are you most comfortable with? I'm picking $20 to $35. We want it to be small. It's going to be making at least $10,000 a month. And we're going to do easy competition. Now you could do moderate, challenge, or saturated, but I'm going to do easy for this one and click search. And now what it's going to do is scan Amazon for me and find potential products that we could launch. And you could see how much money they're making right here. And we're going to click on one. We're going to open a few really quick because a lot of these are really, really good. And there's three. Okay, so some of them might not be good. Some of them might be good. We can do deeper research, but I'm going quick just to see if we can get some creativity's juices flowing because that's really what it is. Now, this is the first one, and it's art supplies, drawing art set. And it looks very nice, but it does seem a little competitive. So we can look into this more, but it's just like an art supplies kit. So I don't think it's that special. Where it'd be easy for somebody to come in and compete. So I'm going to exit out of that one. Now, this next one is a doodle projector making $17,000 a month. They only have 193 reviews. And it looks like you just draw on it and then it projects it to your wall. And I think this is going to be an amazing product for the holiday season. Parents are going to buy this for their kids. And then you can look at the negative reviews and see why people are just not buying it or just do not want it in general. Complete waste of money. Maybe it was blurry. So you could make a higher quality one that parents would like. Weak projection, right? So you can make a higher quality one pretty much that could potentially dominate it. And this one is an air dry clay kit for kids. Now, this is cool, extremely unique. And right now it's January and they're making $20,000 a month. Imagine during the holiday season. They don't even have that many reviews. It looks like it's just clay. They're making it themselves. So you could do something different than animals. Maybe you could do food or bunnies or something cuter than these types of animals and potentially make a killing, right? The DIY kits for kids have been extremely good. Now, once you find something that you like an air clay kit or a DIY kit, then you could come back into Black Box and then we could try to filter it even more and then find other items in this area. So we can see that this is in crafting, ceramics, and pottery. clays and doughs clay. We can see right here, this is the actual subcategory. And then we can kind of dive deeper if we wanted. We could edit the filter and then kind of dive deeper. Let's see if we can go in, and then we could do knitting, crocheting, and go deeper if we wanted to, or completely change the category and just find another item. But it just shows you how quick that this can find products, which is pretty awesome. Let's do home and kitchen. We're just going to do the same filters. We're just changing the category, and then you could find something else. But right now we found one that has a lot of potential. And this is an easy and fast way to find unique products that are making a lot of money. And if we want to go completely different, right, they've got space heaters, water filters, right? But we want to find something that is unique and stands out. Portable blackout curtains. I've never seen these before in my entire life. Portable blackout curtains, which would be huge for traveling or going to different places. And they are selling these for a lot of money, $34.99 for just some blackout curtains. And I know for a fact it costs them less than $5 to make. So another potential opportunity here where you could sell blackout curtains. Is it just one curtain? If it just comes with one curtain, that is sad for $34.99, but people are buying it and they're making $23,000 a month. So again, another item that you could potentially find. Look at the reviews, figure out the negative reviews, and then you can go online to Alibaba.com and find a manufacturer from China. Of course, you would order this, test it yourself, check it out how to make it better, send it directly to China, and then they can recreate it. And you just say, hey, look, I need these to be better. If you send it directly to China, it's a lot easier for them to create. You can also go back into Helium 10. They have so many different tools. But once you finally pick an item and it's being manufactured, you need to create the listing and optimize the listing. One of the best ways to do that is to go to Cerebro and then look at one of your competitors. Let's say this is our competitor. We're actually going to do the clay kit right here. Copy the ASIN. It starts with B as in boy. Come into Cerebro, type this in, the ASIN, and click Get Competitors. And it's going to show you the top competitors related to this item. So an example is a clay kit, an Air Clay Colors modeling clay kit. You can copy the ASIN right here, and you can look at the item. And then you can see their item. You can see 3,000 bought in the past month. So they know what they're doing. They've got good keywords. Look at the keywords that they're using. Modeling clay for kids. They put this in their title because people are typing this in. So you could potentially use this in your title, your description. There's certain keywords that you want to take from them. But you want to see, are they running Amazon ads? Because when you first launch, if they are running Amazon ads, what you can do is type in, again, their ASIN, the competitor, and click Get Keywords this time instead of Get Competitors, and you can see if they're running Amazon ads, what keywords they're running for Amazon ads, and that's going to help you big time for long-term sales. So once you get the keywords, you're going to know what they're ranking number one for. Let's go scroll down. And you can see right here, 912, they are running Amazon ads for sure. If this is 0, they're not running Amazon ads, but if it says paid, they're running Amazon ads. And we can check their sponsored rank right here. Click on this button. And these are all of the keywords they're running Amazon ads for. So they're running for modeling clay, air dry clay, molding clay, air dry, modeling clay, air dry. So these would be great keywords that you could add to your bullet points or even run Amazon ads yourself, because they're actually spending real money, extra money for clicks on those specific keywords. Now they're ranking for a lot, so you would want to just triple check what has the highest search volume. This one's getting 25,000 searches a month, 37,000 searches a month, air dry clay. So you would definitely want to add those to your title and or your bullet points description, because this is going to get you an extra boost. If you get on page number 1, for this keyword, you could get 37,000 extra views which definitely means sales. Compared to trying to rank for this one that only has 79 views a month, even if you show up on page number 1, you're probably not going to get seen. But that's it for today's video. And if you do need help on Amazon, there's a link right in the description to contact us. We're EHP Consulting Group, Amazon experts and consultants that will help you manage, optimize, launch, and even contact a manufacturer for you to find a product to sell. Just go right in the description. If you learn something new, drop a like. If you are a seller or want to be a seller, subscribing is a great option because we're going through so much to help you in your journey. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.